Here we have the Slopehill high-speed hair dryer. It's a pretty kind of a peachish pink, which I do like. It has the filter cover, which is not magnetic. But it does have the magnetic attachments, which is your condenser and diffuser. So to me, that's an important feature. The noise level is really good. I'm gonna turn it on low. You can see it's just real quiet. There's nothing that bothers your ears. And this is the high. I'm gonna turn it on low. Well, first I'll let you see the power. I'm gonna put the concentrator on. It's a little noisier with the concentrator, which is normal. And I'm going to show you this setting here, which I can't decide on the color. It's kind of a yellowish green. But this is going to change between cool and hot. So it's automatically cycling through, which is just a healthier option for your hair. So it doesn't overheat your hair, but it dries fine. This is your cool shot if you just want cold. And so here, that's your, and then your green is cool, medium, hot, and then your last one is the rotating. You do have kind of a mirror here. And I do like the bright light. You're clear on what setting you are. Power is good. I'm going to turn it up to the hot. Sometimes I can tell how hot it is by how long I can keep my hand in front of it. So this one isn't too hot, which for me is good because I have finer hair. But if you're one who wants extreme heat, this is probably not as hot, but it's plenty hot for me, and I love the noise level, that it doesn't bother my ears at all. It's got a really good cord keeper.
Everyone, this is a review of the hair dryer. This is an ionic based hair dryer. It came with the magnetic nozzle that clips into it, and then it came with also the diffuser for the curly hair. And this is the temperature setting if you want to change temperature, and this is for speed. So this is the off, then once you turn it on you have two speed levels, the first one and the highest setting, and also this is the cool air breeze button. and this is how you turn it on. And this is less noise compared to other ones I have. I been using this one for a few weeks now. I love this one, and it's nice that you can control the buttons with your own hands, because you cannot mistakenly turn them off. And overall, I really love this one, and I really recommend this. And this is the length of the cord. It's pretty good.